Well, they finally opened it. Welcome to the 300-yard range. Most of my videos you're going to see from this point on, and that's the shooting line way down there, by the way. I'm not going to shoot much at 100 yards anymore, just because, honestly, I don't want to waste the ammo. 100 yards isn't that far of a distance for a rifle, and with the cost of ammo nowadays, I'd rather do some longer range shoots. Right next to the 300 yard over this berm is the 500 meter. So hopefully, they have it closed right now, but hopefully they'll open it up here in a minute. You know, and when I say a minute, I mean more like a week or so. Hopefully they'll open it up and I'll do some shoots. So anyway, I'm going to shoot 300 yards with the 270, see how she does against that human silhouette. I'm going to be shooting for center of mass, nothing real crazy. So let's see how she does. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off, and I'll turn it back on at the shooting bench. Alright, sorry for the heavy breath, but I'm back up here at the 300 yard line. Running up here because there's other shooters, and I don't want to take too long, but this is my 270 at 300 yards. So there's 1, 2, 3. So that's about a 3-inch group at 300 yards. Those two are pretty much just at about an inch, maybe just a little bit less than an inch, but you can see that's dead along the center line, just a little bit high. I'm still getting used to the load, so I was going for more of a center of mass shot right here. This is actually more preferential, so it worked out. You want to shoot high in the chest when you're shooting, but this is 300 yards. This is a little bit more fun, in my opinion, shooting at 300. I got a little bit tired of shooting at 100 yards. You know, shooting dimes at 100 is only fun for so long. This is more where it's at. Get out there on the 300 yard. Like I said, I cannot wait until the range next to me over here, right over this berm, opens up the 500 meter. Because that's going to be tons of fun right there, shooting on the 500 meter. And I'll be using the 270. What I'm using, by the way, is the was it Hornady 130 grain ammunition. It's shooting out of the barrel at about 3,050 feet per second on average, and it's not quite shooting a point of aim on the rifle. My father-in-law has some hand loads that'll shoot a little bit more point of aim at 300. Basically, how he has the rifle set up with his hand loads is he zeroes at 100, and that puts the bullet about 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches high at 200, right around there. which causes it to go back down to point of aim at 300. And you can see I shot at 300 and it's shooting just a little bit high, but that's all right. I can compensate for that. So in any case, good shooter, man. Old M77 Ruger thin barrel sporting rifle. It's a good shooter. So I was going to do my challenge out here, but with other shooters, it's kind of hard to do that and keep the camera rolling without any cuts. So we'll just have to deal with this. But anyway, thanks for watching.